Hello students, in this video we are going to see lesson number 18. Name of the lesson is 3-dimensional shapes. Already this lesson we have learned much of the part of this lesson we have learned in standard 5, like preparing the net of different geometrical figures. Now here one more net is shown of the cuboid. Okay, even cuboid is also called as rectangular prism. Okay, in standard 4th and 5th we have learned that how to prepare a rectangular prism, okay, or a cuboid from its net. Okay, here diagram is shown. Okay, here this is the cuboid or rectangular prism. You have learned to make a cuboid from its net. Give examples of how the same shape can be obtained in other ways. Okay, तो ऐसा ही शेप कैसे. नाउ सपोज these match boxes are there. If we arrange the match boxes on one another, it forms a cuboid. Okay, like this there are different ways, different examples by which we can demonstrate that how the geometrical figure or a cuboid can be formed by different ways. Okay, let us move to next point. The next point is let us learn point is there. In this we are going to see rectangular prisms. Okay, before we have seen rectangular prism only. Okay, here once again we are going to see rectangular prisms. What is the speciality of rectangular prisms? In this all the faces means sides of a cuboid are rectangular. Okay, जिसमें सारी sides कैसी होती है, rectangular होती है. Okay, यानी लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ अलग अलग होती है. And its opposite faces are identical or congruent. और उसके opposite faces. Now here if you see the face ABCD and the face PQRS. Okay, ये क्या हो गए, opposite हो गए. They are identical और they are congruent. एक जैसे होते हैं. Okay, अब ये साइड इस साइड का APSD and BQCR ये opposite. Okay, ये identical है. In this way the opposite faces are identical in cuboid. Then अगर ऐसा होता है तो the cuboid is also a quadrangular prism. Okay, तो ऐसे cuboid को क्या बोलते हैं, quadrangular. Quadra means 4, angular जिसको 4 angular हो, 4 angles होते हैं. Okay, ऐसा prism. Okay, यानी quadrilateral से related, quadrangular, quadrilateral. Okay, इसके जैसे. Then how many edges does the cuboid have? Cuboid को कितनी edges होती है? Edges यानी ऐसी जो ये जो line दिखाई दे रही है. Okay, these are called its edges. Okay, then how many edges? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and ये side की 4. Means total how many are there? 12 edges are there. How many edges are there? A cuboid has how many? 12 edges. Right. Then how many vertices does it have? तो vertices कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Vertices how many are there? 8. Then how many faces does it have? Faces कितने हैं? देखो अभी ये 4 साइड के 4, ऊपर का और नीचे का एक. So therefore it has got how many faces? 4 plus 2, 6. Alright. Let us move ahead. In the figure here, points A and B are 2 of the 8 vertices. Okay, यानी जो टोटल 8 vertices है उसमें से पॉइंट A और B ये दोनों है. Okay, 8 में से 2. Then segment AB and segment AP, segment AB and segment AP. Okay, ये breadth है ये height है. Are the names of 2 edges and ABCD is the name of one face. Okay, so one by one once again we will see. Now see segment AB, segment BC, segment CD, segment AD. These are the 4 edges. Once again downside segment PQ, QR, RS and PS. These are again next 4 edges. 4 plus 4, 8. Then segment AP, segment DS, segment CR and segment DQ. These are the 4. Okay, for means 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12. So these are, this way they make 12 edges. Okay, then 8 vertices: vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, vertex D, these 4. Then vertex P, Q, R, S, these 4 plus 4. So in this way a cuboid has 8 vertices, right? Then faces: quad A, B, C, D, this is the first one. Then P, Q, R, S, downside, it is the second face. Then A, P, S, D, number 3. D, S, R, C, 4. Then C, R, Q, B, these sides. Okay, fifth one. Then A, P, Q, B, these sides. Sixth one. Okay, so in this way it has got 6 faces. Okay, I hope all these things, means edges, vertices and faces, all these are clear to you. Let us move to the next geometrical figure, that is cube. Exactly what is there in the cube? Let us see. Cube का मतलब क्या होता है? There is a dice in the figure alongside. Here figure is shown of the dice. What difference do you see in the shape of the dice and that of a cuboid? Cuboid और क्यूब में, नहीं तो ये डाइस में, क्या फर्क दिखाई देता है? When all the faces of a quadrangular prism are equal squares, it is called a cube. Okay, अब here if you observe this dice, you will find that all the edges, कौन सा भी edge ले लो, it is having equal or same length. Okay, means this one or this one or this one, you take any one. Okay, the length of all the edges, it is same. Okay, such geometrical figure is called as cube. When all the faces, okay, सारे faces, नहीं तो length of all the edges is equal, then it is called a cube. नहीं तो whatever the 6 faces are there, if all the 6 faces are equal, then such a geometrical figure is called as cube. Okay, here 3 questions are asked. How many faces does a cube have? Cube को कितने faces होते हैं? तो ये 4 साइड के 4, ऊपर का एक, नीचे का एक, ऐसे टोटल 6 faces. Then how many edges does a cube have? Cube को कितने edges होती है? Okay, जितनी cuboid का है उतनी ही. देखो 1 2 3 4. Then नीचे वाले फिर से 4 plus 4 8 and ये साइड के 4. So in this way 12. Then how many vertices? यहाँ पर कितने vertices है? 8 vertices. इसको भी here also it is having 8 vertices. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 और इस corner का 8. So in this way 8 vertices. Okay. Now let us see the next point. The name of the point is triangular prisms. Okay. Prism का ही एक टाइप है, लेकिन कैसा प्रिज्म है? ट्राइंगुलर. इससे पहले हमने जो देखा था वो रेक्टेंगुलर प्रिज्म था, यानी जिसका बेस रेक्टेंगल जैसा है उसको बोलते हैं रेक्टेंगुलर प्रिज्म. अब ये ट्राइंगुलर प्रिज्म. चलो लेट अस सी व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देम. What is the shape of the faces at the base and at the top of the figure alongside? Now if you observe this figure, okay, this is called, which is called as triangular prism. If you observe the base, here the base has got 3 sides, means the base of this figure is triangular. Okay, and it is a prism. Okay, यहाँ पर उसका नेट भी दिखा है. Okay, if you close this net, okay, we get this type of shape which is called as triangular prism. What is the shape of the faces on the sides? Okay, side का भी देखो, ये यहाँ पर देखो, ये रेक्टेंगुलर है. ओके, इस साइड में देखो रेक्टेंगुलर है, इस साइड में रेक्टेंगल है. राइट, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, so here by 3 sides rectangular is there, but top and base is triangular. Okay, so such a figure is called a triangular prism. Okay, जिनका बेस और टॉप ट्राइंगुलर होता है. ओके, तो ऐसे प्रिज्म को बोलते हैं ट्राइंगुलर प्रिज्म. हाउ मेनी एजेस, वर्टाइसेस एंड फेसेस डज अ ट्राइंगुलर प्रिज्म हैव? ओके, तो वर्टाइसेस कितने हैं? लेट अस काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 vertices. How many? 6. Then edges, I will write it in short. Okay, edges 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How many edges are there? 9 edges. Then faces, side of these sides 3 are there, top and base. So total faces, how many? 5 faces are there. So a triangular prism has 6 vertices, 9 edges and 5 faces. Right? Let us move to the next point, that is cylinders. Okay, ये cylinder कैसे होता है? Okay, it is just nothing but a open pipe like structure. जो एक अपना पाइप होता है, okay, पाइप जैसा स्ट्रक्चर होता है. अगर अब ये जो फेसेस है, नीचे वाला और ऊपर वाला, ये ओपन रखना है कि क्लोज रखना है, ये डिपेंड करता है. ओके, तो ओपन सिलेंडर, क्लोज सिलेंडर, ऐसा फर्क होता है उसमें. यू मस्ट हैव सीन अ टॉल बॉक्स विथ अ सर्कुलर बेस. अ टीन लाइक दिस इज अ फैमिलियर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ सिलेंडर. इफ द टीन इज क्लोज्ड, इट इज अ क्लोज सिलेंडर. ओके, even in our houses also many such objects are present, okay, which look like cylinders. Okay, अगर उसके दोनों साइड की अगर ये बंद है तो then it is called as closed cylinder. Okay, closed cylinder की स्पेशलिटी क्या होती है? A closed cylinder has 2 flat circular faces. Okay, ये दोनों, ये जो है ये नीचे वाला और ऊपर वाला, ये कैसे होते हैं? फ्लैट एंड सर्कुलर फेसेस. ओके, सर्कुलर शेप के होते हैं. एंड 1 कर्व्ड फेस, और ये एक जो है ये कर्व्ड फेसेस. सो टोटल हाउ मेनी फेसेस इट हैज गॉट? टोटल फेसेस 3. द सिलेंडर हैज 2 सर्कुलर एजेस. ये जो है ये सर्कुलर. ओके, तो एजेस कितनी हो गई? 2. एंड वर्टेक्स हाउ मेनी? नो वर्टेक्स. ओके, कहीं पर भी ऐसा कॉर्नर तैयार नहीं कर रहा है वो, इसलिए 0 वर्टेसेस. गिव सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सिलेंडर्स यू आर फैमिलियर विथ. अपने घर में भी बहुत सारे डब्बे वगैरह होते हैं. ओके, तो दे आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सिलेंडर. घर में गैस का सिलेंडर होता है. ओके, दैट इज ऑल्सो वन एग्जाम्पल. ओके, देन योर डाउन साइड नेक्स्ट activity is given. You must be having the textbook, go through it. Okay, then let us move on the next page. Here on next page also, here can you tell point is given. Let us see what is given. When playing carom, you make a pile of pieces as shown in the figure. Okay, carom में ऐसा अगर वो pieces सारे एक के ऊपर अगर अरेंज किए तो ऐसे दिखाई देता है. What is the shape of this pile? Naturally it looks like a cylinder. If you place a number of CDs or round biscuits one on top of the other, what shape do you get? We get the shape of the cylinder. Okay, then let us move to the next point, that is try this. Okay, first point is pyramids. ये पिरामिड क्या होता है? पिरामिड में क्या होता है कि नीचे एक या तो ट्राइंगल नहीं तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल. ओके, ऐसा बेस होता है, ऊपर एक वर्टेक्स तैयार होता है. ओके, सच figures are called as pyramids. Okay, समझो ये बेस है. ओके, और उससे निकलने वाले ये जो है ये सारे एक ही पॉइंट पर मिलते हैं. ओके, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज पिरामिड. ओके, यानी एक साइड में या तो ट्राइंगल नहीं तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल नहीं तो पेंटागन, हेक्सागन, जो भी है वो कौन से तो भी एक पॉलीगॉन, और दूसरे साइड में क्या होता है? एक पॉइंट, एक वर्टेक्स. Such a geometrical figure is called as pyramid. Activity. A net is shown here. यहाँ पर एक नेट दिखाई दिया है. It has identical triangular sides. Draw a figure like this on a card sheet and cut it out. Okay, यहाँ पर हमने जो फिगर निकाली वो बस ये नेट जोड़ने के बाद जो फिगर तैयार होगी, जो डायग्राम तैयार होगी, वो इसके जैसी होगी. Then fold along the dotted line of the square and bring the sides together so that the vertices A, B, C, D meet at the point. Okay, ये A, B, C, D vertices ये सारे एक जगह पर मिलते हैं. You will get the shape like one shown below. Its base is a square and its other standing faces are ट्राइंगल्स. ओके, तो ये ऐसा शेप मिलेगा. लेट अस मूव अहेड. दिस शेप इज कॉल्ड अ पिरामिड. जो ऐसा जो शेप तैयार होता है, ओके, जहाँ पर एक साइड में पॉलीगॉन है, दूसरे साइड में एक वर्टेक्स तैयार होता है, ऐसे फिगर को क्या बोलते हैं? पिरामिड. द टॉप और द अपेक्स ऑफ दिस शेप इज पॉइंटेड लाइक अ नीडल. नीडल जैसा पॉइंटेड होता है. एज द बेस ऑफ दिस शेप इज अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल, इट इज कॉल्ड एज क्वाड्रेंगुलर पिरामिड. ओके, now it depends. Now this name also depends upon the base. Okay, if the base is quadrilateral, then it is called as quadrangular pyramid. Okay, if the base will be triangular, then this pyramid will be called as triangular pyramid. Here downside example is given, that we will see it. Okay, then count the edges, vertices and faces of this shape. Okay, now here if we count the edges, then edges, this upside, these 4 edges and downside 4 edges. So total 8 edges are there. Okay, quadrangular pyramid. Then faces 1, 2, 3, 4 and downside 1, 5. So 5 faces. Okay, and vertices, these 1, 2, 3, 4 and plus this one 5. So it has got 5 vertices. Okay, one more activity is given about the triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid, its base is triangle. Okay, this way once again, even I will draw it here. Okay, 1, 2 and these 3. Okay, base triangle जैसा है. Okay, नहीं तो या इवन और थोड़ा सा उसको, ये ट्राइंगल. ओके, यहाँ पर ये पॉइंट है उसका, जहाँ पर वो सारे ऑल द, हाँ, दिस. Okay, this is called as triangular pyramid. Here this is the base. Okay, and this one is the tip. Okay, let us see. Draw the net shown alongside on the card sheet and cut it out. Fold along the dotted line of the, ये जो dotted line है वहाँ पर fold करना है, of the triangle in the center and bring together the triangles on the sides so that the vertices A, B, C meet at a point. The vertices, vertex A, vertex B and vertex C, they should meet. Where they will meet? Here. Okay, or here we can say. You will get a pyramid. The base of this pyramid is a triangle, so it is called as triangular pyramid. Okay, count and write the number of its edges. So how many edges it has got? So edges, upside 3 and downside 3. So total 6 edges are there. Vertices, the 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 vertices. And faces, these sides 3 plus downside 1. So 3 plus 1, 4 faces. Okay, let us move on to the next page. So from all this, we can see, now I know, the top and the bottom faces of the prism are identical. ओके, अगर प्रिज्म है, ओके, पिरामिड अलग है, प्रिज्म अलग है. प्रिज्म में क्या होता है कि द टॉप एंड द बॉटम फेस, ऊपर का और नीचे का जो फेस होता है वो आइडेंटिकल यानी सेम होते हैं. द अदर फेसेस ऑफ ट्राइंगुलर, क्वाड्रेंगुलर एक्सेट्रा प्रिज्म्स आर रेक्टेंगुलर. ओके, और बाकी जो फेसेस होते हैं इन प्रिज्म के, वो या तो ट्राइंगुलर होते हैं नहीं तो क्वाड्रेंगुलर होते हैं. ओके, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन व्हाट टाइप ऑफ प्रिज्म इट इज. Then the standing faces of a pyramid are triangular. Okay, जो standing faces होते हैं पिरामिड के, ओके, तो वो कैसे होते हैं? They are triangular in shape. In the last diagram we have seen the name of the prism or a pyramid. Prism का नाम नहीं तो पिरामिड का नाम किस पर डिपेंड करता है? On the shape of its base. जैसा बेस वैसा उसका नाम. Okay, if the base is quadrilateral, then it is called as quadrangular pyramid. नहीं तो quadrangular prism. If the base is triangular shape, then it is called as triangular prism or triangular pyramid. Okay, let us move to the further geometrical figure, that is cones. Okay, these cones you must have seen at the ice cream shops. You are familiar with examples of cones. कोन का एग्जाम्पल हम लोग अच्छी तरह से, इवन कैप होती है, ओके, फॉर बर्थडेज दे आर यूज्ड. You can see 2 of them in the pictures below. Here ice cream cone is shown, here the clown's cap is shown. This cone has been closed after filling it with ice cream. Its circular top is closed. When we think of this cone, okay, this cone is filled with the ice cream and the top is closed. So this is called as closed cone. Okay, here in this case, it is a clown's cap. Okay, the circular base of this cap is not closed. Okay, यहाँ पर ये बंद नहीं है. Okay, ये खुला है. Okay, let us see some more details about it. The tip of the cone is called its apex. Okay, ये जो होता है pointed part, उसको बोलते हैं apex. The cone that is closed by a flat disc has one curved face, one circular flat face, and one circular edge. Okay, तो ये जो है ये सर्कुलर कर्व्ड फेस, इट इज कॉल्ड एज कर्व्ड फेस. ओके, डाउन साइड इट इज कॉल्ड एज सर्कुलर फ्लैट फेस. ओके, और एक एज होता है ये. ओके, दिस इज नॉट काउंटेड. ओके, ये डायग्राम में दिखता है लेकिन होता नहीं है. ओके, सो वंस अगेन we repeat all these things. So this part is called as apex, this is called as curved face, this downside it is circular flat face, and this circular edge. Okay, let us move to the next point on next page, that is spheres. ये sphere क्या होता है? चलो let us see. Sphere means, for better understanding you can just imagine about the ball. Okay, ball is the perfect example of the sphere. The shape of the laddu, a ball, a shot put is called a sphere. The sphere has just one curved face. Sphere को सिर्फ एक फेस होता है, उसको वर्टेक्स होता नहीं है, उसको एजेस होती नहीं, ओनली वन फेस. That also curved. It does not have any vertices or edges. Okay, such figure is called as sphere. Let us move to practice set number 41. Question is asked, write the number of faces, edges and vertices of each shape in the table. Okay, so here is the cylinder given. So how many faces it has got? Curved face, upside and downside. So how many? 3 are there. Then vertices. देन वर्टाइसेस, यहां पर तो वर्टेक्स का ही दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, सो इट हैज गॉट 0 वर्टाइसेस. ओके, एजेस, तो अपसाइड वन सर्कुलर एज एंड डाउन साइड वन सर्कुलर एज, सो टोटल इट हैज गॉट हाउ मेनी? 2 एजेस. राइट, नाउ लेट अस मूव टू कोन. अ कोन हैज गॉट हाउ मेनी फेसेस? फेसेस तो एक सर्कुलर फेस है नीचे वाला, नहीं, ये कर्व्ड फेस, सो इट हैज गॉट 2 फेसेस. देन वर्टाइसेस, वर्टेक्स तो एक ही है ऊपर, ओनली 1 वर्टेक्स. देन एजेस, हाउ मेनी? 1. हियर इट हैज गॉट ओनली 1 सर्कुलर एज. ओके, नाउ दिस इज pyramid, but what type of pyramid it is? Pentagonal pyramid. What is the meaning of pentagonal pyramid? The pyramid whose base is a pentagon, so it is called as pentagonal pyramid. Okay, then how many faces is it has got? Here upside how many? 5 and downside 1, so total 6 faces. Vertices, here 1 2 3 4 5 and this plus 1, so it has got 6 vertices. Then edges, so as it is a pentagon, how many lines are coming up? 5 lines, and as it is a pentagon, so how many sides it has got? 5 sides, so 5 plus 5 10, so 10 edges. Hexagonal pyramid. Hexagonal means, what is the meaning of hexagon? A geometrical figure which has got 6 sides. Okay, it is called as hexagon. So the pyramid whose base is hexagonal or whose base is 6-sided, such a geometrical figure is called as hexagonal pyramid. Okay, so how many faces it has got? So upside is 6 faces and downside 1, so 7 total. Vertices 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 1 7. Okay, and then edges. Edges means 6 sides are coming up, and this downside 6. 6 plus 6 12. Now here hexagonal prism. Okay, prism means what? Both the side, top and base is identical. It is called as prism. Okay, pyramid में क्या होता है? टॉप और बेस अलग अलग होते हैं. So hexagonal prism, how many faces are there? As it is a hexagon, so here how many are there? 6 plus top and base. 6 plus 2, 8. So 8 faces. Then vertices. How many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 plus downside 6, 12. Okay. Then edges. This 6, downside 6 and this side 6. 6 3 is 18. Then let us move to next pentagonal prism. Okay, prism तो है लेकिन कैसा है? Pentagonal. Pentagonal means having 5 sides. How many faces it has got? Okay, ये साइड के कितने? 5. ऊपर का एक, नीचे का एक. 5 plus 2, 7. Then vertices. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15. Okay. Then edges. 5 plus 5, 10 plus these sides 5. Edges 15 are there. Vertices how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and downside 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 vertices are there and 15 edges are there. Okay. Here our practice set number 41 is over. Here lesson also gets over. Okay. Thank you.